What's up, guys? So we are doing another FailArmy reaction. Excuse me, and this one is worst race cars ever. Track and rally fails, but FailArmy, of course. So he recently uploaded, so we need to check this out. But before we do that, remember, you can always support this channel by subscribing to my channel. And I mean, let's face it, I mean, I upload pretty much every single day. I mean, 2 to 3 videos pretty much a day. So you never know what you're missing. So make sure you guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos, whether I did it in the past, present, hell, even the future, which is why you want to click on the notification bell, so that way you guys can be up tuned for more videos coming soon. And if there's any videos you guys want me to do a reaction or do a challenge, you can always just leave it on the comment section down below. Alright guys, well, without further ado, let's check this out. That sucks. That lady didn't get hurt. Whoa, what the hell is he doing? He's not even paying attention. How did he not realize? This guy was literally looking at the guy that's doing the Formula race car. How did he not notice that? That was crazy. That was crazy. Wow. That is dangerous. Imagine driving, and listen, man. I mean, the Formula cars, man, the Formula One cars, man, they're fast as hell. So you could imagine, you have the hood up in the car, and you're driving with the hood. You're basically blindfolded. Like, you don't know where you're hitting, you don't know where you're driving, and mind you, they drive really, really fast. I mean, you talk about like 100+ miles an hour in seconds. So you could imagine, wow, that's crazy. Oh my god. Whoa. Well, that was some good drift, because he missed a lot of people, which is a good thing. Yeah, as I was saying, those Formula One race cars, man, that can be dangerous like that. A hood up like that, it can be really, really dangerous. Whoa! Saw the wheels fly off or fall off. Well, actually, it flew. Oh. Hope they didn't injure his neck. Oh, that's NASCAR racing. They're doing it on purpose. They're trying to fight and everything. Whoa! Whoa! Safe and sound. That is crazy, man. That is crazy. And I think it was in somebody else's car too. It was on somebody else's car and it flew on top of the windshield. Landed on top of the windshield. Whoa! Oh my god. Oh, he got a fire extinguisher. Wow, that's smart. That is really, really smart. Must have happened before, so this time he was prepared for it, in case something like that were to occur. That's what you call experience. At least they didn't get hurt. Whoa. Camera flew off. Oh. Whoa. He didn't even go. He was not paying attention. Oh, the battery. I think the battery's no good. Or something would happen. Oh, okay. I was about to say, like, what the hell? That was funny. He probably wasn't paying attention. I'm sure he was not. He was looking at elsewhere, but not paying attention to the race. Oh man. Oh. Well, it wasn't that. At least it wasn't that crazy. Whoa, whoa. Well, at least he broke. He hit the brakes really, really good, because that would have ended a tragedy. Yeah. How did he, man? He must have wanted to get the race started early. That's funny. That's actually funny. Whoa. I don't know what kind of racing is that, but it's crazy. Whoa. I got that! Whoa. Whoa, slow down. I thought you were gonna hit the truck. Whoa. I tell you this, man. It has to take a lot of skills and practice to be able to do what they do, you know? Like all those NASCARs and Formula Racing and everything else. Racing, period. Even dirt racing, you know? I mean, that has to take a lot of... Whoa! Whoa! Someone almost got run over. I'm telling you, man, these Formula Racing, man... Whew. And I used to watch them when I was a kid. When I was a kid, I used to be a big-time fan of Formula 1 racing, man. Oh, my gosh, man. They drove really, really fast. Like, I didn't realize how fast they really are. I think I said drift racing. I mean, I said dirt racing earlier. Why the fuck I said that? It's drift racing. I need to correct myself. I have the habit of doing shit like that. So it is what it is. But I correct myself later on. So let's just say drift racing. Even drift racing, like it takes, you know, it takes a lot of practice and skills to be able to do that type of shit, you know? Because you just never know what can go wrong, you know? See? See? I remember this one video where one of the cars that they were ready to do a drift race or a drag racing. Damn it! I need to correct myself, man. I need to go back with my shit. Man. I need to do some research and everything. It's drag racing. Jesus, man. Fucking up. Whoa, whoa. Why the hell he did that? See, I rather see it on a professional level than on the street. See that right there? That's where accidents happen. Not supposed to do that in the public street area. It's supposed to be around like that. Yeah, I meant to say drag racing. Man, I'm really messing up big time today. I haven't watched racing in a while, so you know, it's been a year since I watched racing. Any type of race car, NASCAR, drag racing, Formula racing. My favorite was Formula One racing. I loved it. Whoa. Whoa. Hopefully nobody got hurt. Hopefully nobody got hurt. Yeah. That is when you be a dumbass in the street, man. At least he's not hurt. I don't think I would be able to perform any type of race cars like that. No way. I leave that to the pros. See, I wouldn't call this compilation funny. It would probably be crazy moments. It's more crazy than funny. Certain parts that were funny, but this is more like crazy part, like crazy moments. Now, top notch, the craziest one is, you know, those Formula racing that one of the cars' hood I flipped over and it blocked the person's windshield, and they have to be really careful of how they drive. Especially they drive really, really fast. Man, those NASCAR, drag racing, Formula One, I mean, anything can happen, man. And anything can happen. So, and you guys need to, you know, stay safe with the road, man. Stay safe, man. Hats off to all the pros out there, though. I wouldn't be able to do it. You know, like I said, you know, when I was a kid, I used to love watching, you know, Formula One racing. I used to love Formula One more than NASCAR. NASCAR was okay for me, but Formula One, I just loved it. You know, it's nice and fast, and I mean, it would go like 100 plus an hour in like split second. It's kind of like drag racing, but I mean, they go elsewhere. Like they go around the circuit train area, and they go and just haul ass. They're really fast. That's what I'm saying. Shit like this, where like the hood. To me, the craziest part is, you know, when the driver, they had to drive with the windshield blocked from the hood of the car, of the the car itself. You know, those are crazy. Those are really, really crazy. Oh my gosh, man. Like I said, there wasn't really that much, funniest part in here. There was more like craziness in a way. Crazy fails. Just craziness. It's wow. What was the crazy part for you guys? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, you can go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Alright guys, well, until next time, peace out.